Alright, today we are doing another matchup here in NHL 25. We're going to be going up against Manitoba. It's been a while since we played these guys. I think they are ranked as one of the worst teams in the standings for this season. They're 14, 18, and 4. So definitely not a winning record there. Hopefully we can add to one of those losses today. Just beat Rockford. It was a close game, but the final score didn't really resemble that just because we got 2 empty net goals towards the end. Whoa. What? The first shot on goal. They got a... What happened? Alright. So, just a wrist shot. My goalie was right there too. Was he off balance? Okay, that... I have no idea what happened, but we're down 1-0 and we've played just over 30 seconds actually. Commentators are even giving my team crap. Okay, well, that's fine. Still a lot of time left, but not an ideal way to start the game. Cycle around here. There's a... Oh, I didn't get the one-timer. Okay. The steal here. We'll take it over to the right side. For the help. Yeah, we do. No one-timers. Oh, there's one. Okay, so we got our first shot on goal. They're shooting 100% right now. One shot on goal, one goal. Didn't win the face-off. Like I said, recently we've just been struggling with that. Don't know what it is. We've played almost 40 games. Figured at this point we'd be really good at face-offs, but that's one thing we just have not improved on. Okay, where's my help? Gains control of the puck here at the blue line. Picked up along the boards by Suzuki. Keep it. We'll take it over to this side. Sends the pass over. My one-timer. Oh, we were just wide. There we go again. Wide again. Come on.
Well, there's a fine line between scoring and missing, and that's inches right there. A good
I swear, commentary-wise, Cheryl says that every single game we've played, just recycle the same commentary. Sometimes it can get annoying, but you've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Alright, so 2 defenders back. We have both our defensemen, and takes a shot and just catches my goalie sleeping, I think. Yeah, they just pass it right here. Goalie sees it, and I mean, it hits our goalie, but just falls right in. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. This is not good. Been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. 3 shots on goal, 2 goals. Lost the face-off there. Oh my, you gotta be kidding me here. They're pressuring us like crazy. They're not playing like the last place team. But again, I've said it in the past, this is what makes hockey exciting, is on any given week, the best team and the worst team could have a competitive matchup. Oh, we shoot it over the net. Lambert's taking it from his own end. And it's a quick pass to Lucius. Makes his presence known on the ice. Okay, we got to keep it here. Oh, they come out with it. Oh, we stole it there. Didn't really see where it went. Okay, well, we were going to get the steal. Now they checked us away. Beat it around the backboard. Oh, no. Gonna have to kill it. Can't believe we're down 2-0. This is not how we want to start a game.
Chicago's got it in the defensive zone.
Right. Pass. It's wide open. It's a feed it around. This might get stolen.
And he maintains possession of the puck here.
Don't know what we were doing there.
Manitoba's got the puck against the board.
Steal here.
Now a quick pass to Jost. Fires it.
Oh, wow, that went in. Well, I was nervous a little bit, but we're still down, but we got ourselves a hockey game now. Jost got it for us. Just nothing special, just a wrist shot. A similar thing to that happened to our goalie. Hit the pad and kind of just redirected right into the net. It's been a really high scoring first period. Not a really high scoring, but usually the first period's really rough, low scoring, and then we end up scoring a lot in the subsequent periods, but that hasn't been the case here. Wait, how's that icing? Been struggling on face-offs. Let's try and win one here. Nope. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I haven't changed anything in my approach on how I try and go about face-offs. It's usually always the same. That's why I always direct the puck to the back left after I win one. Always goes to the same person, same movement of my thumb on the analog stick, but clearly I'm doing something wrong now. Try and clean it up here. Get the steal, we did. Move it up the ice. Got kind of a breakaway here. Gonna shoot. Oh. They got a glove on it. Oh, that was close. You've got to be kidding me. 3 goals in 1 period. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is happening. Thought Manitoba would be an easier game, but clearly not. So they missed the shot. Our goalie fell over, and oh yeah, he had a one-timer, just a wide open net. Goalie just has to lay down after that one. Yeah, he's just sitting wide open. Point blank shot went right in. Well, if this is any indication on how the rest of the game is going to play, we have a major uphill battle now. At least we scored 1, but they now have the 2-goal lead that I usually go for, and almost made it 3-goal lead. Okay, let's move it up. Took the shot here. Oh my gosh, that was a one-timer. How did he save that? And we just have a bunch of back and forth here. They missed one-timer. We are not doing good in the shots and goal. 8-4. It's going to do it for the first period. They might get another shot on goal. Nope, we block them.
There you go. Period number 1 is done.
That was an eventful first period. 4 total goals scored. But we have a lot of ground to make up. Just can't let them score again. Okay, we finally won a face-off here. Feed it around. We'll do kind of our typical approach here. Cycle things around, open up a one-timer. There it is. It's going to get hit. That's not who I was passing to. Can we keep it in the zone? No, we're going to lose it. no. Okay, got in front of it there.
Here they come on the attack down the right side.
I was trying to get the one-timer, didn't get enough time.
The Wolves ready to go on the
Oh,
attack.
well, that wasn't ideal.
Called for the
Offsides.
face-off. Lots of time left in this period. Been a pretty good offensive display, at least for one side. 3-1 is where we sit.
They're almost shooting at 50% at this point. Won another face-off, so we're starting to clean things up a little bit. Got stolen though. And we steal it back, and now they stole it. Almost a breakaway given up right there. But we just leveled him.
Well, that has to hurt, and he's getting up slowly. The whole body rattles
Gonna kill it.
like that.
Normally I would play something like that. The left side was kind of open, but we're down by enough where I don't want to add to their lead by any stretch. If we were leading, then I would have definitely played it right there. 3 face-off wins in a row. Okay, move it up. Yeah, to feed it around. Have it defended fairly well. Got our one-timer right here. Oh my gosh, how'd he save that?
You can certainly tell that the goaltender is dialed in on that last sequence of saves, James. He's to position.
Just give me a break. Give me another goal.
Back to back.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. Manitoba's got a 3-1 lead. Play resumes here.
Another face-off win. Is there a one-timer? Wrong person. Oh, the goalie fell over.
Chicago's gained possession along the boards. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. Loses his balance on the play.
The one-timer. Saved it again. Their goalie is on fire right now.
All sorts of pressure here in the offensive.
Oh, I should have moved it over. I should have just went for the one-timer on the right side there that we had.
Stay over the attacking zone. Here's a pass in front.
I don't even know what to say anymore.
James, the credit always goes to the goal scorer, but how about
It was
this beautiful
completely defended right there too.
knowing how to draw the coverage to you, that is creativity at its finest.
Just any type of stick on that puck and it would have gone in. I think the game just has it out for us today.
The Moose have come to play in a big way tonight.
Yeah, right from puck drop.
Not gonna panic
I mean, just the urgency around that initial
yet.
opening face-off.
Well, I am actually panicking a little bit. This is a huge deficit, and we've had some trouble getting some of our typical one-timers in.
And he sidesteps the check there. And he can't hang
Oh,
on up with it.
no.
Kings swooping in on the attack. Manitoba's got the puck against the wall. Sotner's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a chance.
Got lucky there. We'll play it, though. Got a guy open.
Right there, and he's got to utilize that and gain some confidence off it. I mean, he's struggled tonight between the pipes. If he can
We got to get some more shots on goal. Priority right now. No one-timers, so we'll cycle around
Chicago's got it along the wall.
and miss the pass.
Takes the puck. Here's a shot. And that's blocked in traffic. Both sides digging in for that puck along the wall.
Oh no, how'd we miss that?
By Bauer.
One-timer wide open. I bet that one would have gone in too. Save it. We're gonna kill it. Halfway through the period.
Manitoba's had the better scoring opportunity.
So they're not last in the league.
Why they lead in a
They're
big way in the
29th.
second.
They're playing as if they're right up there with us,
Just won a big draw on their own end.
which I like. I like close games. This is kind of a blowout against us, not making me feel kind of bad about myself right now, but
Right up the gut into the attacking
hey,
zone.
it will keep you grounded.
Dishes it off. Big
Okay, we'll get the steal, take it up the right side.
The Wolves are on the attack.
Do our wrist shot again. That wrist shot worked before, so try it again. Why not?
Hanola directs it on over to Shaw. Chicago's got the puck inside the
A little little bit frustrated right now.
Taken by Hanola. Works it across to Janssen Fjallby. He carries the puck up along the wing.
Oh no.
Sends a pass over. Oh, gets a little piece of it and keeps
We
it.
gotta get this out. Oh, it hit the post. They almost just added another goal to their lead.
James, he knows that he's got to take away the net, so he gets out and challenges to make the save.
Wrist shot. They'll kill it on their end.
Incredible glove save by the goaltender. I mean, he gets out to the top of his crease. He's challenging. He's saying, hey, try and beat me on this side.
Manitoba's got to be happy with where their game is at so far tonight as they continue to lead big here late in the second.
Oh no. Bad pass.
Great heads-up play by MP. There's a solid collision. Oh, denied on the play. Wow!
That's a true competitor's save. Just when you think that he's completely out of it, James, he comes across with a desperation save to keep his team alive.
Manitoba's offense has been in full effect tonight as they continue to lead.
Gotta win this face-off.
The Wolves win it in the defensive zone.
Okay, we got a power play out of this.
Well, when you cross-check, it is black and it is white. And I'm telling you right now, that is a call all day long. The official saw it. It is an undisciplined penalty.
Okay. Hopefully we can cut the deficit a little bit before the third period here.
Chicago's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Well, they've earned their first power play of the game. A tone setter.
Once this power play's over, then we're effectively going to be done with the period. Oh, that was just a silly pass.
The Wolves gain possession.
Let's try and establish a zone here.
Incredible save on that last sequence, James, and it's a real mindset, and he's sharing it with his team. He's saying,
Get
"Listen,
around.
we gotta get going here. We gotta move."
Is there a one-timer? Oh, man.
Oh,
On
and somehow he gets a sliver of it and keeps them at bay.
cycle here.
Positioning by the goaltender to redirect it to the corner, getting it out of danger.
Another one-timer. He saved it again. All my tricks I have up my sleeve are not working today. They get it out of there. There, get the steal. First shot didn't work. That was a bad time for a line change. Attack the puck right there. It was just sitting out in space. Okay, let's establish ourselves a little bit. Still got a little bit of time. How'd he save that? I mean, this hasn't been a great power play for us, but we've had quite a few chances, evening out the shots on goal for sure.
And the power play unit comes up empty on that one.
Nothing like a strong PK to just elevate the team right from the bottom to the top.
All right, that's going to do it for the second period. Only one goal in the second period, but yeah, now it's a 3-goal deficit for us.
To go grab that final snack, go stretch your legs because a big third period is just around the corner.
All right, let's see if we can do anything here.
Period number 3 is ready to go. It's been a total mismatch here as we get underway for the third. Let's see if anything changes.
Hey, we got a cycle. It's their shot. Wrong person.
Closing out a dominant performance, James. They've been defensively responsible. They've provided a lot of offense when they've gotten into the offensive zone.
And this isn't good. Oh, we almost just really messed ourselves up there.
Lots of time left in this period. Manitoba's been the better team.
Goalie almost didn't save that.
One is where we sit. Shaw's won the face-off here.
It's not a good spot to lose the face-off.
There's the save. Oh, and it goes off the outside.
We're gonna have to kill it again.
Off the outside.
They are on the attack right now.
Manitoba's been a dominant force offensively. Plenty of quality scoring opportunities, and they lead it big time early in the third.
Okay, we finally won a face-off in the third.
And
take it up the right side. Oh, we're gonna get hit. Somehow we kept it. Here's our shot. Oh, if we were just like an inch or two more to the right, that would have went in.
And sometimes when you're trying to put it in, that's exactly what happens. It just misses, but a miss is a miss.
Oh no, this isn't good. But now our goalie's bailing us out on these really good shots. Started the first period, just some ridiculously easy shots it seemed to save. Went right in. There may have been something I'm missing, but this probably should be like a 2-1 game. Our shot. Wide again. Our shot. That wasn't. That had no heat on it. Yeah, we'll play it on the left side here.
He's feeling it tonight. 2 goals, looking for his third.
Oh, that was a risky play. Get it out. Okay, we steal it. We'll feed it in. It's a one-timer. Kept it in the zone.
He's going to play it from the back of the cage. The Wolves take it along the wall. And that caroms off a body in traffic. The Wolves gain control.
Been doing a good job keeping it in. Till now, they just got it out of the zone. No, we kept it in. Now they got the steal. They'll probably get it out now.
Incredible play right there. I mean, he's stumbling. He looks like he's going to fall almost, but he's off balance, and that's the key. The puck isn't exactly where he wants it, but he still manages to find a way to get a shot off.
And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. The Wolves will play it from the defensive zone. Through the neutral zone and into the offensive end.
Get it in. Running out of time. We can't even pull the goalie at this point. Got the steal. And get at least one more goal though. Make it a little bit more of a game.
Scrum along the boards, they battle for the puck. Skips out of the battle along the boards, and here we go. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes a shot. Oh, he got a little
Play it.
sliver of it, and it stays.
At this point, I just want to get this game over with. This has been a nightmare.
Out of the net. Manitoba's got it in their own zone. Quick pass to King. Grabs the puck. Tosses it up in the neutral zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. And they'll battle for that loose puck along the boards.
Don't have any one-timers here. Oh, there it is. Oh, come on.
And they'll go on the attack. Great pressure by Lemieux. The Moose have possession along the boards. Here's a short pass to Bauer. Puts it on net. Denies him with the pad. With possession along the wall. Slides it back to the blue.
Gotta get this out of here or else they're gonna score again. Okay, finally we get it out. At this point I would have pulled the goalie, but there's no use at this point. There's no way we're going to make this deficit. Offsides that we got to avoid.
Final minute of regulation here, and it should be it. And he slides it quickly to Pavlichev. Oh, look at this. Oh, love the defensive stick work there to poke that one away.
All right. Just want one more goal. That's it. Accept the loss. Oh man, how did he not score on that?
And he's knocked off the puck there.
Slides it across.
Get it out.
He's working it around in the corner.
Scores! Make it 3 in a row, and they're
Uh,
Well, they certainly are. 3 in a row. They've got their opponents on their heels. It is a wave. You can feel it.
kick us while we're down. Why don't you?
They're getting it in.
Alright, so this one's definitely lost. As if the 4-1 wasn't any indication.
Manitoba's up big time here in the late stages of this third
Get
period.
one more goal. Got just a few more seconds.
Puck after that neutral zone face-off. The Wolves looking against the half wall. Oh, how did he get a piece of that? Fires it on net.
Nope.
And what a stop there with time
5-1. This might be one of our worst losses we've had so far this season. Not ideal. I don't feel too good about myself right now. Won all these games, but a loss like this just... It stings. But yeah, I can't win them all. So we'll be playing Rockford next. I will see you then.